a fail. It's on TikTok. When did you tell me this information? 20 minutes. So hi guys, hi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go get pictures today for Instagram. Now I'm thinking, Gucci, let me just wear this with these shoes. You feel me? This vlog is gonna be couple days. It's gonna be today. I'm not gonna really vlog today. I'm just starting the video and talking to you guys. My packages are coming today, so basically we're gonna go get pictures of me. Secondly, we're gonna unbox really important content, YouTube stuff with me. We're gonna unbox those, and then we have the photo shoots on Friday or Thursday. Like the video, like right now, go like the video, bro. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the video. You know that you like me. You know that you fucks with me. You know that you fucks with my content. You know that my content is quality. It's not the best quality yet. Like, we'll get there, but like you know, like, period. Like, we don't even have to talk about this anymore. You just need to join my family and like the video. And by the way, guys, the butterfly looks like it's not for me personally. I don't really like them like that. Like, man, what kind of material be thick ass material and still be see-through? Like, this material is thick, guys, quality, but it's still see-through. Why with this top? So I'm gonna wear with this top, but like I really don't need to wear with the top anyway. But I can't just wear it with this top and be fun. No, I need to wear it with this. I think that's my delivery. Let me answer real quick. Vlog while I drive. I want to drive. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Hello, hi. Hope it's not too dark. Let me take this off. These shoes are low-key not comfortable. Like, the bubbles make it so painful to walk on. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Takealot that I got. But first, I'm gonna show you what I got at the mall. So I got these glasses from the Fix. They were 80 rand. Look how cool. And I love glasses like this. Oh, are you sure? It's giving men in black. Okay, that's all I got from the mall. And then from the Takealot, I have 4 packages to unbox from Takealot. I'll put a picture of the packages. First package is this one. Basically everything I bought for YouTube. It doesn't come with a stand. Be fucking pro. What do you mean? So I got a backdrop, a white backdrop, but it doesn't seem to come with a stand. I thought it came with a stand. So basically it's just material. What am I gonna do with material? Okay, first box, a fail. I'm already like turned off by the fact that the thing doesn't come with a stand. Okay, and then I bought a mic. I'm gonna test it out and see if it actually works. But apparently it's supposed to work. It's supposed to make me sound better. Y'all can hear me better. And I also got makeup brushes, because I don't have any makeup on my hands, and it's giving ghetto. It's giving serious ghetto. It's a 20 pack or 16 pack makeup brushes. Let's test them and see if like they're good. Okay, so it comes with a makeup band. It smells horrible. Oh, let's see. Oh, nice. They're soft. They're really soft. Next box. And I bought a makeup vanity mirror because I don't have one, and that's just weird for me not to have one, you know. Okay, it's not broken this side, it's not broken this side. So basically it looks like that, and you press here. Doesn't need batteries. I think it needs batteries. It's supposed to press here and it's supposed to kanya. The lights must go. Yeah. It's not as okay, it's bright. Does it change? Oh nice, I like it. Okay. So it lights on and off. And the last one are my lights. So I bought lights. I bought photography lights. Right? I pray that that mic works. Hey, we're gonna test it out after I'm done unboxing this thing. It's one light, guys. One fucking light. So this is the stand. I thought it was two. So this is how the light looks on the outside, and this is the light, and it's one. I thought that it would be two lights, but I got one. Don't worry, we'll buy another one next time. And this is how it looks, and it comes with a charging thingy and a remote. Let's test these things out. You should see my room. Let me show you. Look. Mud, I tell you, mud. Okay, we're gonna test out the light. Luckily I have a ring light, so it's not a big train smash. It's just so we have even lighting. Let's put this on and see. Okay, so this is with this light. This light is bright, like it's bright. So, and it also comes with a remote. I think I want to dim it a little. It is so bright, it's outshining my. And then when I put it 50%, it doesn't need batteries. It needs batteries. I don't have batteries, but like, yeah, it's really bright. I don't know if I can turn it down manually. Oh yeah, I can. This is the orangish setting with it, so it's pretty light. Like, it's very light. Let me lower it. Okay, I lowered it a little. I don't know. I need to put batteries in the remote, and I think I will be able to like control it better. And then now we can test out. I'm gonna test out the mic. That's how it looks inside. I don't know if it's working. I'm testing, but I think it's working. Wait, let me see something. Because it has like a clipper thing, and then you just put it on like so. And I don't know if it's working, but I hope it's working. It's in like a thing like this, right? And then it also has a charger, and it is meant for iPhone. I don't know if it would work with other brands. Should I do this? Can you see? It's like an iPhone charger thing. But I'm not gonna use it on my phone. My only disappointment is the stupid cloth. Where's the stand? I wouldn't be able to buy all of these things without you guys, and you guys consistently supporting me. So I'd like to say thank you so much. Like, you're the best human beings in the world. Honestly, I'm so grateful for you guys. Like, y'all are amazing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, bye. So Sana, I've come to the conclusion, Guti. I'm returning this cloth. They are 400 rand. We're returning it. No backdrop for the girlies. I want I'm a Coca-Cola. I will come down to London. Yo, bele bele. Come on, let's have. I don't like the food. Am I uncultured? Oh, sa pelpan. Pelpan ke apa? Yo. So basically today we're trying out Indian food. So it's not going well. Like things are too hot. They're going to see butter chicken. You know butter chicken. It's rice. It doesn't even sound like Indian. It's okay. It is. It's on TikTok. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. Yeah. So today, now, it's been a week since you guys last saw me. It's been a freaking week. Why has it been a week? My shoot got moved. Not from last week to this week. It got moved. Then therefore I had to put the whole vlog on pause. I couldn't film any other videos because space. But it's fine. I'll get a laptop soon. And we won't have a permanent space. But like right now we do have a permanent space. So I couldn't film another video. Therefore you guys did not get a video last week. So I apologize. I really apologize. And right now my bed is a mess because I'm trying to figure out outfits for what I'm gonna wear for today's shoot, because it looks like I have 3 shoots in one day, 1 for a brand and then 2 for me, which is like weird because I was supposed to have 1 now, but they're saying I have a streetwear one and I have an elegant one. Ceci, when did you tell me this information? Like, do you feel me? But anyway, that makes for more content, which is great. But like now I need to like put my brain together and try figure out what I'm gonna do. But right now we have a lash appointment to get to. I have an appointment at 9. It's currently quarter 22:09, so I need to leave now, and then I'm gonna tell her that I'm leaving. Remember when I was like, I can't get my lashes done, adhesive. If I die. We only live once, so I'm gonna go get them done. So let's go. So I'm currently at the lash appointment, and I'll see her is nowhere to be found. She's late by like an hour 30 minutes now. Just waiting for my Uber to confirm. Like I was never meant to do my lashes, obviously. Like this is just. So yeah, let me go wait for my Uber. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club. Long as ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual training, maybe I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Okay, let me put on the mic so that we get ultimate. Plus I'm trying to still figure out if I like this mic or not, and so I'm using it so much, trying to figure out. But sometimes I feel like I don't like it. Sometimes I just feel like it's not worth the money, hey, because I don't know, it makes editing easier. So this is the end of the video. I've been eating the whole day. the whole day, and I blame my lash tech. The reason we haven't eaten the whole day, the reason we were late is because of my lash tech. No ways, guys, she did me dirty. Oh, punctuality, she doesn't know it. Like, she doesn't respect people's time. And it's not even personal to me, no, bruh. Like, I've seen, even when my sister went to go do her lashes, we waited almost 2 hours for her. It's always an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then she comes in with stories. Nkari, like she's that type of friend that never gets a break. She always comes in with stories. Last time when it was my sister, she came in, she's like, she has flu. She was coughing. She had flu. Nkari, like it was a mission to get out of bed. Today, I called her and I'm like, "Where are you?" And then she's like, "No, I'm 20 minutes away." In the background, her children are making a noise. I was like, "Okay." Then I dropped the phone. She gets there. She has a swollen eye. Like she has flu. Like she has problems with the kids. I'm just like, bro, you never get a break. Like it's upsetting to me Hore, now my time is not respected, you get me? But like I'm pissed when I'm sitting there waiting for her. But then when she comes and she explains herself, it's just like you can't help but feel bad for her and be like, okay, cool. Okay. I was this close. Remember when I did the video? When I did the video and I was like, guys, I'm going home. I literally did that video, requested, and as my Uber was like literally 3 minutes away, she walks in. I canceled the trip and I just sat. And we probably finished. We finished at quarter to 12. Quarter to 12. My time was 12:30. That's my call time, 12:30. I got home 12:30. My mom called me at 25 past at 35 past 12 and she's like, "Did you leave the house yet?" I'm like, "No, I just got home." She's like, "Girl, BFFR." I finally left the house at 1. I got there at 1:30. I folded clothes. You could only shoot one outfit because of time. We at least got a shoot, you know. This was like a vlog work vlog because technically this is what I do. Anyway, these are the lashes. I literally have makeup on right now. They are hybrid. Hybrid means they cat eye. They make my eyes look like they snatched 24/7. I had to do my makeup in 20 minutes. 10 minutes, I think I did it. Like, do you understand the amount of stress I've been on today? So after the shoot, I got an Uber back home and I went to KFC and I bought the whole family food. My mom and my sister haven't been home the whole day too. So much for watching the vlog. So sorry I didn't post last week. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Like, do you understand the day I've had? Like, bye.